situation. Just need to get away for a while. Wait, did I forget my sunglasses? Nope. Ta-da! Okay, I'm down, break together and sing a song. I hear we all so cold, like a rumble. They get me going here and on the block. Keep the moans breaking, I need a conversation. I hope the water's warm, guys, that's something I'll pull the drugs up, I'll see you thunderstorm. No, 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 no.
I've been casing the liquor store for a month now, but me and two other niggas is about to run up in there and shut it down. They got 4 people on the inside, 1 stay in the back. 2 stock boys run at the register, but he count the stacks. Alright, put on the ski mask. Make sure that when we ask for the dough, they know that we taking all 3 bags. See that? You got a hero. Shoot that nigga. Matter of fact, you hit the back. I put 2 of that nigga. Hard-head motherfuckers always get it. I told him what would happen if he moved, the nigga moved, so I did it. Did you get it? Asked my man as he was coming from the back. Nigga opened his mouth, said nothing, fell out flat. His cat come out spitting, hit my man's, his man's, took control what was in his hands. I'm hit there, I bust back and got the fuck up out of there. Didn't get it down, but at least I got up out of there. Road to cross.
But it never came there. It just sat on open horizon, looking at them. Everything is just perfect. Gotta live someday.
Sibirska vojraska Pazuzu. Pazuzu Anthrax.